How to make more than one account on Clash of Clans. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make more than one account on Clash of Clans. To disconnect your current game, open Clash of Clans if you haven't already. Now tap the settings icon right above the shop. Here, tap the connected button to the right of Supercell ID and tap the settings button. Then tap Log Out in the settings menu and tap Confirm. You will be taken to the title screen. To start a new game, open Clash of Clans if you haven't already. On the title screen, tap the faded Play Without Supercell ID button. It may appear to be unselectable, but the option is usually available when presented. You will be presented with a tutorial. Follow the steps to create another Supercell ID account. To create a Supercell ID, open Clash Royale. Then tap the settings icon, which resembles three gears right above the shop. Now, tap the disconnected button next to Supercell ID. Tap the blue Register Now link, then tap Continue on the next screen. Next, type in your email address in both boxes, present it, and click Register. A message will be sent to your email address. Type in the code and press Submit. After that, click the OK option to exit the creation process. To select an account, open Clash of Clans and tap the settings icon. Then tap the blue button next to Connected. Looks like two arrows curving into each other. If the title screen is shown, tap the Login with Supercell ID button. A list of linked accounts will appear. Tap the correct account you want to switch to. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.